Mayuri recently asked me, Nirupama, whenever I go on social media and see somebody's reel, I start feeling, can I ever do like that? The way that person has such an amazing lifestyle, the way that person is traveling to exotic places, will I ever be able to reach that level? Mayuri, my dear, I want to tell you that what you're going through is a comparison trap. And it's normal to think that will I be able to measure up to the level where other people are. But I want to tell you that your journey is very unique. You don't need to compare your journey with somebody else's journey, because success is not a one size fit all phenomena. Every person has a very unique journey and every person has a unique way of creating business. You need to have those realistic goals. What works for you may not work for somebody else. And when you do work from your own experience, which fits into your kind of schedule, which fits into your kind of value system, you can really perform in a much authentic manner. So for this, the first thing, my dear, I want to tell you is to really focus on your journey. What are your goals? What are the things that you want to create? And if you have to really block certain people from social media, I allow you the permission to do that, because they are somewhere taking your attention away. And the moment you compare, what you're doing, you're eroding your confidence and you're overshadowing the strengths that you have. And I would never want you to do that. So whatever small or big that you're doing, please start celebrating it. Because if you can start celebrating your achievements, only then the world will be appreciative of what you are doing. The second thing is that keep on getting on that journey of learning in a continuous manner. Get some courses, hire some mentors, attend seminars, understand what is working in the market, so that you are updated with the latest trends that are going on. And finally, never shy away from getting a support network or some mentorship, because alone it's difficult to travel sometimes, but when you find somebody holding your hand and taking you ahead in your journey, it becomes easier. And my dear people, I want to lend this hand to you, because when I started my journey, I had to figure out everything on my own. There was nobody to show me what it is to walk on this journey. But I don't want you to go through that same pain which I had gone through in my entrepreneurial journey. So if this video resonates with you, I would really want you to book a call and understand that how you can build a business with ease, fun, and determination. Let's get on a call.